I bought and tested two of the most popular insulin traveling cases on Amazon. I'm going to tell you my thoughts. I'm going to tell you everything you'd want to know about these pros, cons. Can't really go wrong with either one of them. It's just really going to depend on what you're trying to do. This one right over here, this is going to be the East tool, and this one right over here is going to be the GOSEMA, GOSEMAI. So let's get into it right over here. So this is what they come with. This one right over here, this is the ease tool. It's going to come with this plastic block right over here. This one right over here, the Goose May, is going to come with two of these ice packs right over here. So both of them do come with ice packs. Both of them are TSA approved. Um, both can hold pens, different types of uh, medicines or whatever you need. This one also comes with batteries, and you could store accessories. These are some alcohol tabs in either one. So here we go. This one right over here, this is what it looks like inside. We have a little strap right over here. And then this right over here, we're just going to unzip this really easily. And then this just sits right in here. So you could get a couple vials in here. You could probably get two insulin pens or whatever in here. You also have this little pouch right over here. If you wanted to put other accessories that you needed, extra whatever. And then what you would do is you just zip this shut just like this. Really easy. Soft-ish kind of pouch, but yet still protected. This one right here has a little bit more bells and whistles. We have a thermometer right over here. We also have the ability to store, I would say, 3 or 4 pens and then some. This also has straps for the pens, which we'll get to the comparisons at the end. And then another pouch over here. How this one's going to work, you're going to actually insert these ice packs just like this. They're going to last about 8 to 12 hours if they're fully frozen. Um, it really just depends on your weather. This one right over here, we're just going to slip this. This is where the thermometer is, and if you had the 2 extra batteries, you need to change them. You just pop them in right over there. So we're just going to put that just like that. Super easy to do. Get that going like that. So then you'd put your pens right in here. This is a GLP-1 pen. So you can see right over here, this would even fit just like that. And I like the fact that this zips up just like that. So now everything is kind of in there. And you'll see right over here, we're going to just zip this shut right over here. This does come with a shoulder strap. So this will come just like this. So if you had like a carabiner on a backpack or something like that, you could easily put that on. You can see the difference in size between them. This one right over here, the Goose May, is definitely bigger, but it also holds more. So I would say you got to keep that in consideration. This one has more of a harder case, which I probably prefer, to be honest, just because it's going to just be easier. For me, I don't have to worry about it. Again, we had the straps on the inside as well. I also like knowing, what temperature is going on in there. This one does not have kind of that temperature one. So that's kind of them side by side. So let's go over some pros and cons. I would say with this one, if you're looking for something that has more of the bells and the whistles, you want to know the temperature of everything. You want extra storage. You want a harder case. We also get a strap right over here. This is also like kind of airtight, which is nice. So nothing gets out of it. You could see that the temp is going down already since we started this video. And then you have the straps inside right over here and kind of the ability to make sure everything stays nice and cool. I would say this is a great option. I would say this is a great option if you're looking for something a little smaller. Maybe you're not traveling as far. You're not as worried about everything staying cold for a long period of time. Not to say that it won't, but when you have this one right over here that has that airtight zipper, we got 2 ice packs in this one. This has the 1 ice pack. So that's kind of the main difference. You're going to get 2 ice packs with this one. It's going to last a little longer because you have that zip up case. You have a harder case in here, separate pouches. Both are easy to clean, easy to use. So I'd say if you're traveling like smaller distances, maybe don't have a biggest bag. This one's definitely going to be more small, more compact. If you're looking for something that has a harder case, You could tell the temperature, make sure everything is a little bit more secure. This would be the one for you. Again, just really personal choice. So if you're looking for a great insulin travel case or for other meds as well, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. I hope you found this video helpful and you find the right case for you.